Hello, what is up? Today we're going to be showing you how to install Krita on your system. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser, and then you're going to want to search Krita in here, and you click on the first link, and you click download Windows installer. Sorry, still a bit sick. And it should start downloading. So it's gonna start downloading like this, and I'm gonna cut to the part where it's finished downloading. Okay guys, so it should be done downloading. Now you're gonna click on open in folder, you can close your browser. Then you click Krita. Over here. You click yes. You can minimize your file explorer. Well, you don't need that anymore, so as you could just do that. But anyway, now the setup is loading. This is gonna take a bit. Maybe a minute, maybe 30 seconds, depends on your system. Should be quick. Click whatever language you use. For me it's English. So then you will go over here and you click next. And I accept the license of agreement. Next. Then next. You don't need channel device. And then click Krita. If you don't have Krita, click you have the others. And then you go click on next. And you can choose whether to make a desktop icon or not. And then you must click install. And it will start installing on your system. This shouldn't take long. Now it should be completed. And then you can click finish. And that is how you install Krita on your system. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.